Hello and welcome to Math 200 online here at Cañada College. My name is Lapuz and I will be the instructor for the course. This is the second video in a three-part video orientation for our course this spring 2021 semester. In this video, we will be looking at Canvas, our learning management system. You can access Canvas by going to our website or looking at the syllabus. You can also access Canvas by going to Cañada College homepage and clicking on Student Tools and Canvas. And once you get on the Canvas, you can select our course, Math 200, which should be available to you. And this is what you will see. So let's dive into the course and see what's up. In our course, we have a homepage that has some upcoming assignments that are due, some information about some announcements for tutoring, and some advice from our students. It also has some FAQs, frequently asked questions, and some video orientations, which is not there yet because this is going to be one of them. If we go to our next menu item down, modules, we can see how the course is broken up in Canvas. At the top of the page, we will have the course information. The welcome home page brings us back to that welcome home splash page that we saw. And then down below, you'll have my stat lab and all the links that are associated with my stat lab. And this will be the topic for our third part of the orientation. And then from there on out, we have the chapters. And for each chapter, we have a PowerPoint presentation that you can download. We also have some chapter lecture information. And in these chapter lectures, you can see videos that are broken down by sections. And these follow a specific slideshow that you can download ahead of time. Past chapter 1, we'll also see some homework help. So as you're doing the homework and you feel like you're getting stuck, you can click on some homework help. And in this page, you can find information about some homework problems that you can try to solve using the TI-84 calculator or using Google Sheets. And some of them even have information about some of the software that's associated or that's free for using my stat lab. So that's it for our modules section. Going down the line, our syllabus has a downloadable version of the syllabus as well as the schedule. So the syllabus can be found in the email that I had already sent out through WebSmart, but you can also access it here. That information has proctoring requirements, the grading, and all that other stuff. But I think more importantly, I think if you don't already have the schedule, you should make sure that you download the schedule and print it out for yourself so you can see the due dates for the specific assignments, like the homework assignments, the quizzes, and even the due dates for the exams. Along with the due dates for things that are affiliated with our class, there are also pieces of information about the college dates, like the last day to withdraw or a flex day where there are no classes. It also tells you when spring break is going to be, etc. The next item down are the announcements. And right now, at this moment, there are no announcements, but we'll see in the future that you'll be receiving announcements. Now, if you have your setup correct here in in your account, which I can't really do because this is a test student account. But if you have your setup correct, then your announcements or the announcements that are going to be coming from this course will go directly to your email. But if you're not getting these announcements, these are going to be weekly announcements. If you're not getting these announcements, you can make sure to click on announcements to check for the latest announcements, or you can configure your Canvas account to receive announcements. The next category are the assignments. These assignments can be sorted in a couple of different ways. They can be sorted by due date, or they can be sorted by the type of assignment that they are. So the due date seems to make most sense. But if you have the calendar with you, then you'll know when the due dates are. You can sort by the type of announcements, so you can see the list of homework assignments and quizzes and your journal assignments. Your grades can be found here in our Canvas site. And the grade breakdown here for all the assignments that are currently posted, you'll have the breakdown for your grade. You can play around with this page and see what other features that this thing might have. But I think I've already mentioned in the syllabus, and I'll mention it here again, that the grades will be updated after each exam. So you're not going to see the updates after the due dates for these assignments because they have to be downloaded from one learning management system and uploaded to this learning management system. And because there are allowances to do some late homework, you can read the syllabus for the homework makeup system. But because there are allowances for late homework, the absolute deadline will come after the test, so the grades will be updated after each exam. And we have a few more buttons over here, the discussion boards, which are really linked through the journal assignments and other assignments that we might have. But you can take a look at them and post. You can also post questions here in the discussion board, and I'll create a discussion board for that. We have some other information about the college and the district policies. We have the Title IX, accessibility. We also have a link to the Cañada College library. If you're interested in getting a calculator or renting out a calculator for the semester, you can contact the library to get access to that. And they might also, I don't know if they have any more computers left, but they also rent out Chromebooks. There's a tutoring service that you can get from the Learning Center, but also NetTutor is another place where you can possibly get some tutoring service, but you'll have to see how that works out for you. And then we have the Cañada Cares and a few other things. The last link we have here is a Zoom link. And if, or for my office hours, I will create Zoom session links for our particular office hour times. And you can find them here. But every time I create a link, there's going to be an announcement sent out to you via our Canvas account. Okay, so that is a quick overview of our Canvas website. And I hope that you're going to be able to get comfortable navigating through our course pretty quickly and be able to get on doing the assignments. Okay, that's it for now. Good luck, and I'll see you online.